Are you a lover of cars? Today, we take you through the life journey of a great inventor who revolutionized the automotive industry. Henry Ford, a name synonymous with automobiles, was much more than just a car manufacturer. Born on a farm in Michigan in 1863, Ford's fascination with mechanics began at a young age. At just 15, he built his first steam engine, setting the stage for his future in innovation and industry. Ford's career began as an engineer with the Edison Illuminating Company in Detroit. His real passion, however, was in automotives. In 1896, he completed his first working gasoline engine-powered vehicle, the quadricycle. But this was just the beginning. His journey continued with a relentless pursuit of efficiency and a desire to democratize the automobile. At the time, cars were a luxury reserved for the wealthy. Ford envisioned a future where cars were accessible to everyone. His story is one of ambition, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of progress. Ford's early career was marked by a series of experiments and innovations. His efforts culminated in the founding of the Ford Motor Company in 1903, marking the beginning of a new era in transportation. The year 1913 witnessed a pivotal moment in industrial history. However, Ford's biggest contribution wasn't just a car, it was the method of making it. Henry Ford introduced the moving assembly line at his Highland Park factory. This revolutionary system transformed the way cars were manufactured, drastically reducing production time and costs. Each worker on Ford's assembly line had a specific, repetitive task. This division of labor significantly sped up production. What once took hours, like assembling a chassis, now took minutes. This increase in efficiency allowed Ford to lower the price of his cars, making them affordable for the average American. The impact of the assembly line extended far beyond the automotive industry. It became a model for mass production, adopted by countless industries worldwide. Despite criticisms of its repetitive nature, the assembly line's impact on the 20th century is undeniable. In 1908, Henry Ford introduced the Model T, a car that would become an enduring symbol of American ingenuity and accessibility. Dubbed the Tin Lizzie for its affordability and durability, the Model T was designed to be practical, reliable, and easy to maintain. Priced at $850, the Model T was within reach of the average American. Its simple design and sturdy construction made it ideal for navigating the often challenging road conditions of the time. The Model T quickly became a national sensation, transforming rural communities by providing unprecedented mobility. Ford standardized parts and simplified the car's design, making repairs easier and less expensive. The Model T's impact on American society was profound. It broke down geographical barriers, connecting communities and fostering a sense of unity. While Henry Ford's greatest reward was the transformative impact of his work, he also received numerous awards and accolades. In 1928, he was awarded the Elliott Cresson Medal by the Franklin Institute. Ford's impact extended far beyond engineering. He was recognized for his social vision and commitment to improving the lives of his workers. In 1929, he won the Edison Medal, awarded by the American Institute of Electrical Engineers for his achievements in automotive engineering. In 1930, Ford received the American Hebrew Medal for his commitment to religious tolerance. Ford's contributions to society were multifaceted, encompassing technological innovation and social reform. His legacy as a captain of industry is undeniable, but it is his commitment to social responsibility that sets him apart. As Henry Ford entered his later years, he remained a prominent figure in American society. He continued to oversee his vast industrial empire, though he gradually ceded day-to-day control to his son, Edsel. Ford's focus shifted towards philanthropy and historical preservation. He established the Ford Foundation, a charitable organization dedicated to promoting peace, education, and human well-being. Ford also developed a keen interest in preserving American history. He established Greenfield Village, a living history museum that recreates life in 19th century America. Despite his successes, Ford's later years were also marked by personal tragedies and controversies. The death of his son Edsel in 1943 deeply affected him, and his health declined in the years that followed. On April 7, 1947, at the age of 83, Henry Ford passed away at his estate in Dearborn, Michigan. His death was due to cerebral hemorrhage, and this marked the end of an era in American industrial history. Ford's impact continues to resonate. His legacy extends beyond cars, shaping modern society. The assembly line revolutionized manufacturing, making mass production a reality. Ford was a complex figure who left an indelible mark on American history. His legacy continues to inspire, reminding us that ambitious dreams can be realized. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting stories of inventors and their inventions.